long at upgrading your kitchen. So my first upgrade was away from the rolling pin. When you start rolling out hundreds of biscuits, it's really physically painful. Just rubbing on your hands on the top of the rolling pin. So I'm not talking about upgrading your rolling pin to a water cooled or pastry or marble pin. I'm talking about actual automation. So to get dough flat, ready for cutting, the first option is low cost options is a manual dough sheeter. So you get many electric tabletop ones. You might see them in pizza shops, but this is a manual one. Basically, you put the ball of dough on it and roll it under the rolling pin. From there, you're into an electric dough sheeter. Now these are big. You're talking 3 meters long, and it passes the dough forward and backwards underneath a rolling pin. Which effectively does the same thing, but with electrics. And after that, you're into molding. This kind of dough or cookie machine, you put a ball of dough in the top and it presses it out of a mold, and you can choose what shape of mold you put in there, Christmas shapes, cookies, whatever you fancy. And this is the first steps before you go into big inline production.